What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Zaee Byrd. Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video with a friend. Today I was just sitting there. Well, I'm not gonna say it was today. It's been a minute. I just been sitting there thinking about this damn car. If you don't know already, I got a 2016 Dodge Charger, V6, the XXT version. First off, I love this car, man. It's always been a dream of mine to have a Charger, and I'm not really big on the engine and performance wise. You know, the main reason I got this car is the body style. I like the headlights, the screen. So I got that's really the main thing that I wanted getting a Charger. Didn't too much care what the engine was like, but after having this one and, you know, taking I-10 or the interstates, any of the interstates, and you just seeing these guys fly by and everything, I sat there and wondered, like, damn, I think I want to trade my car in, my Charger in, for a bigger engine. I'm gonna just put it that way. I'm gonna trade mine in for a bigger engine. But what mainly led me to that is I wanted to get rid of this car because of certain situations, or certain problems. Like right here, I don't know if y'all can tell, but like this little door panel piece it's been coming up. The same with the little center console, but the main reason is I got this car from a dealership. It's a used car and everything. I wasn't being smart. I'm not even gonna lie, I wasn't being smart. It was late as hell at that dealership. You know, I was just, at that point, I was just like, bro, just give me the car, let me get it on my body here. But got this car almost a year ago. It snowed the day after I got the car. So I'm gonna explain it. So this car, the check engine light came on literally the day after I got the car. I got the car, drove it home, and then, you know, I sat in the car for a little bit, you know, just checking everything out, messing with everything. So I know, you know, I was just sitting there like, damn, I got me a Charger now. I got my dream car. Went in the house, went to sleep. The next day I woke up, came out to drive the car. I was gonna go to the store right before like the snow and everything got bad out here in Houston. And the check engine light came on. I called the dealership, but I guess they were closed. And then after that day, that's when the snow was like bad. So they was like closed for like that whole week, which then like took away, I guess, the return time or anything like that. Like if anything happened to the car, you know, you can take it back and they either give you a new one, fix it or whatever. So yeah, but at the time I was working at like a lube center and everything, we did inspection. So I took the OBD scanner and I scanned the car, got the code came back as like the catalytic converters. But I was, you know, when it said that, I sat there and I went through my paperwork that I got from the dealership. You know, they give you like the whole paperwork and everything, like the Carfax and anything that's been done to the car, like receipts and everything. And like the people whoever had the car before me, they changed out the catalytic converters, like I want to say like had to be like 2-3 months before I got the car. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in my head, I'm like, you know, that's can't be the problem. So I had the guy at the shop check it out for me. Like, yeah, the catalytic converters are fine. He was like, try your O2 sensor. So I was like, all right, cool. I didn't even check the O2 sensors. You know, I went on the Dodge website to try to figure out like what kind of O2 sensors they use. I ended up finding what kind of O2 sensors this car had on it. So I just went and got brand new ones, ordered those, put those on there, and then I ended up changing the spark plugs. And you know, like I said, we checked the catalytic converters. I changed the O2 sensors. I changed the spark plugs. I did like the fuel injector service on it and everything. Like I did like complete service on this car. And the check engine light, it'll go off and then it'll come back on. And sometimes it'll go off and it'll stay off for like a week or two. And then once I like get on the interstate and like start pushing it, it'll like come back on. So I'm like, what the hell? So I checked the thing again and it says, it's still saying the same thing, like the catalytic converter. So at this point, I'm like, I done put like a lot of money into this car, not just mechanical wise, but you know, like everything, like most of the stuff I did in this car, I put so much into this car, and I still got stuff I plan on doing to it if I do plan on keeping this car. Yeah, at this point, I'm just like, bro, like, I don't know if I want to keep this car or not. Like I said, if I get rid of this car, I trade it in, it'll probably be, I'll probably just go a step up and get like a RT, or I might just get a Scat Pack or something like that. I'm not gonna go too big, or honestly, I might just get another truck. I had a truck before this one. A lot of y'all aren't here from my last YouTube channel that I had with my girl. It was like thousands of subscribers on that channel, but I had a F-150, a lifted F-150 and everything. But yeah, so I might just go get another truck and everything. That I miss having a truck. But like I said, I finally got the dream car I wanted, and I'm just having so much problems with that. Like, this car done been broken into twice. Somebody done stole my mufflers off of it before. Like, I done been through so much with this damn car. And at this point, I'm just like, bro, I don't even know if I want it anymore. My ultimate dream car is a Hellcat. I see people just always messing with those cars. So I don't even know at this point. I don't know if I want to keep this car, or I don't want to just go out there and like just be spending money for no freaking reason, making dumb purchases or anything like that. This car only got like probably like 8-9,000 left to pay this car off, which to me, I feel like I should just keep the car, keep fixing it until, you know, it's fixed, and then maybe like give it to my sister or a friend or something. You know what I'm saying? Or just have it as like a little backup car. Because my girl, she got a Mustang, and that's a 2-door, and I got the Charger, which is a 4-door, and we got a Sun and all that good stuff. I don't know if I want to keep this car to upgrade, but I just want to make a smart financial decision other than just feeling like I'm just wasting my money in this car and anything like that. If you've never seen the car before, it is 2016 Dodge Charger A6T. Like I said, I only got it because of the body style, and I really like the headlights. I've been planning on getting new wheels on it. This car done been broken into. They took this window and that window out, and they stole the mufflers. I just took it to a freaking muffler shop and had them, you know, do their thing with it. But I got the tint on it and everything. I still got stuff. I plan on putting the Scat Pack hood, Scat Pack front bumper, Scat Pack rear bumper on this car and everything, you know, get it repainted and all that good stuff. I do have the lights underneath. I have the lights going around the trim, and I do have the starlight, and I did all this myself. But yeah, like I said, at this point, I just don't know if I want to like keep this car, trade it in. I just want to make a smart financial decision. If me getting another car means, you know, it'll help my channel out, then, you know, I don't mind. I get another car. I see people getting Scat Packs and Hellcats, and they start a YouTube channel that same day, and they should just blow up. And that's one thing I want for my channel, is I want my channel to blow up. And with me being new to it, I'm still trying to figure out what's gonna make that happen. I most likely want this to be a car channel, you know what I'm saying? I want to bring y'all along the journey of me customizing this car, me getting a new car, me getting a new place. I got a lot of stuff that I got to figure out for myself. I'm just bringing y'all on the journey with me. I always wanted to do YouTube, so I just figured out, like, man, I might as well just stop waiting and stop procrastinating, go ahead and get this jump popping. If y'all want to come along on the journey, like I said, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all like the video up, share it with a friend, tell your friend to subscribe. You're going to turn this shit up, you know what I'm saying? Cause I'm tired of waiting. But yeah, back to the car, because this is what this video is about. I just don't know if anybody see this video outside of my channel, what y'all think would be a smarter decision. Like I said, this is a 2016 XXT V6. I got like $8,000 left to pay this car off. I can either continue to wait, just continue to pay this car off, keep fixing it, hook it up, customize it, give it away, or keep it in my family or something like that. Or I can just trade this car in, put a new down payment on another one, or either bigger engine or a different car, and just start over. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. Y'all just let me know what y'all think, man. It's just, like I said, at this point, I'm just tired of feeling like I've been just wasting money. That's how I feel. I feel like I just been wasting money on this car, spending money, and problems still not fixed. And then it's not, I can't go nowhere, or like to a dealership or a freaking mechanic shop. They actually tell me the truth. You know, they always gonna tell you something wrong, and it's not really a real problem. They just, you know, they keep getting your business, they keep getting your money. It's hard to trust these people when they tell you something wrong. And like I said, I scanned the car and everything, figured out what was wrong with it, thought I fixed that problem, and, you know, like I said, the light's still on, so I don't know. I don't mind. I got the patience to continue to mess with this car. I'm just, like I said, I'm just freaking tired, that's all. I'm just tired of, I feel like I'm wasting money at this point. But it rides good. Other than that, it hasn't given me any problem. I just want it to be over. You know, I just want this check engine light to go off. One of the guys at my job told me if it's the catalytic converters, it's fine. I have nothing to worry about, because people always cut their catalytic converters off, and, you know, the car runs fine. But I don't know. I'm more of a interior type of person. You know, like stuff like this and my center console, like stuff like that can be fixed. After spending so much money on the engine, you know, shit I don't know about, and that's more pricey than what I'm used to. After spending so much money on that, you just, one little thing mess up, you're like, oh Lord, here we go again. Just like when somebody broke into my car, I was already in the process of, you know, figuring out the check engine light. Somebody broke into my car, I was like, damn, now I gotta get 2 windows. That's one hell of a story. I don't know if I posted a video on that one. If I haven't already, man, then I'll probably end up doing it. Yeah, I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I just wanted to drop this video today. I had to drop a video, man. It's been months since I dropped the video, and like I said, I gotta stop procrastinating. I gotta stop waiting and telling myself I'll do it, and I just sit there. Like, it's a new year, got new goals. Finna start working with other YouTubers, other people, anybody that can help me build myself, like, you know, start friendships and stuff like that to bring more fire content to the channel. That's what we're gonna do this year. I have nothing else better to do. I mean, I work a normal job just like anybody else. Hopefully one day, you know, I get enough subscribers on this channel and I won't have to, you know, do that no more, but we'll see. We'll see when it comes. Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Like I said, thank y'all for stopping by this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I gotta focus on this road. I'm headed to work now. Ooh, got a long shift. Got a long shift ahead of me. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, like this video up, share this video with a friend. Welcome anybody to the channel, man. Anybody welcome to the channel. If you like car stuff, that's what's most likely gonna be going down on this channel. Not really into the little pranks or anything like that no more. If you wanna see car stuff, I'll be traveling. In fact, I'm planning a trip coming up soon. Maybe next month. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, y'all just stay tuned for it, man. We finna start uploading on this channel and getting shit popping. I appreciate y'all for stopping by, taking time out y'all day to enjoy this video. I hope you did enjoy this video, first off. And I will see y'all in the next one. It's your boy Zaee Byrd, and I'm out.